Hey guys, just a quick motorcycle repair today. I've got a Buell 500 Blast. And this bike here, when you go to start it, nothing happens. You used to hear a click sound coming from underneath the seat, but now you hear nothing. Now to repair this, just remove the seat. And usually what the problem is one of the relays underneath. So there's one here and there's one down here. They are both the same relays. And for today, this is the bad relay, so I'm just going to unplug it. And by the way, this is part number M923006. The best place to get this relay, guys, is from Harley-Davidson themselves for $15.95 Canadian. Here's the part number on the bag, 31504-91B. And it's the same configuration for the plug. Exact same relay, although it's a different color. Now just plug in your new relay. And now with the new relay, this bike will start right away. So you can see sometimes it can be really easy if you know what you're looking for. It actually took me a while to figure this out, by the way. I don't work on bikes here in the shop all the time. So that's why I thought I'd make the video. If you get this issue, check this. Make sure though that your battery's good first and everything else. And if it still won't go, check this relay here and that one over there. And for the price, you can even buy one or two and just try them and see what happens. It's not a big loss if you bought it and you didn't need it. And you can always have it for the future to use as a tester if you work on these bikes often. And actually I think that these relays fit on many other Harley-Davidson bikes as well. Now this is just one repair of possibly many that could be causing the same symptom that you saw at the beginning of the video. And sometimes on these bikes it can be the safety switch here for the clutch. And it can also be the safety switch on the kickstand as well. And again, here's that part number M923006. Thanks again for watching, guys. This is my quick motorcycle tip of the day. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a great day.